Welcome back everyone, Legend here. Today is gonna be another unboxing of Pokemon. It's gonna be of Server Tempest from the new series. And today we're gonna be using the celebration sleeve for the beautiful card we're gonna get. So let's get to it. And we're gonna be starting with that one. Last time we got some pretty good hits, so I hope you got something good today too. It will be fun. So the cards for the Pokemon online games, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting with the Dark Energy. Sleeve like that. There you go. So we have Brandon, Altaria, Lens, Pikachu, Ponyta, Venonat, Jupiter, Spinda. Oh boy, we have a beautiful Milotic right off the bat. That is a pretty good card. I like the art, and unknown V-Stars. So right off the bat, two beautiful cards. Oh yeah, gonna put them in a little sleeve. We want to protect those little cards. Pretty good art for Milotic. I like it. So there you go. There you go. Next one. That is fun when we got some pretty good hit like that. Let's go. The promo code for the online games, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, Steel Energy. We have Professor Leventen. Metang. Toxapex. Beldum. Stunfish. Vulpix. Look how sassy it is on that. Snorunt, Fletching, Holo Reverse Marigold, and Eastern Breviary. Pretty beautiful art. I like it. So like that. When you put a little sleeve for our Marigold. Even it's a common, it's still a Holo Reverse. Now, next. Promo code for the online games, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, Water Energy, Candice, Krokorok, Behem, Drowsy, Growlite, Miss Dravis, Wilmer, McGraw, Holo Reverse Swirless, and it's on Lilligant. She is dancing. There you go. Beautiful sleeve for Swirless. Now we're gonna be opening the pack with the Lugia on it. I hope we got something. That will be fun to get at Lugia. The art of the Lugia for that series is pretty beautiful. Promo code for the online games, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Starting with the Fire Energy, Lopunny, Serena, Regenerative Energy. First time I see that one. Swablu, Rotom, Beniri, Drippy, Fempi, and we have another full art. It is a Passimian. Beautiful cards. It's training with its trainer. And a Chestnut V. That is perfect. That is another good hit right there, guys. So we're gonna be putting a sleeve for both of those cards. There you go. And for the chestnut too. There you go. And for the last pack, I hope it's another good hit. That will be fun. That will be a good ending. So, promo code for the online games. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, starting with the Fire Energy. Arcan. I like Arcan. Happy and going all the time. Clang. Claydol. Finnegan. Spinnerack. Beldum. Krogunk. Solidus. Auto Reverse Morpeko. And Flashglass with their trainer. Nice. Beautiful card. I like it. So there you go. And the sleeve for Morpeko. Never forget that. There you go. And for today we have Frostlass, Chestnut V, Passimian, Lilligant, Issun Breviary, Milotic, and Unknown V-Star. So I hope you enjoyed the video and see you all next time.